This is a test. DJI Osmo Action 4, 0 dB, standalone DJI Mic 2 transmitter at 0 dB. We're going to set the receiver to set the transmitter to the negative side, going -1 dB all the way up to the maximum. And we're going to see if there's any sound differences. Let's show you how this test is going to be done. You simply go into the receiver side and then you hit the down arrow and then you go to the transmitter and you choose -1 dB and so forth. And I'll do my best to try to show you. Swipe down, scroll wheel over to the transmitter side, and then set the dB level. We click on this, and then we start to adjust the level down 1 dB, -2 dB, -3 dB, -4 dB, all the way down to the very bottom as far as we can go. Let's switch over to the DJI Osmo Action 4. Take the transmitter over here. We'll do our best to do a test 1, 2, 3, 0 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -1 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -2 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -3 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -4 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -5 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -6 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -7 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -8 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -9 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -10 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -11 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -12 dB. We may have to redo the test and hit the enter every single time to accept. What we have done is disconnected the DJI Mic 2. We have it hooked up to the receiver and we're on -12 dB. We're hitting enter, and what we're going to do is switch over to Bluetooth. We are switched over to Bluetooth. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, -12 dB. This is a test. And to confirm that we go back to click on the negative and raise it all the way up to the maximum. And this way we can see the actual test that we are, all the way up there. And switch on over to +12 dB with the DJI at 0 dB. We are switched over to Bluetooth. And the mic has picked up. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a test, +12 dB. We brought this back to -1 dB. And we brought the DJI Osmo all the way to the -12 dB. And what we're going to do is raise it to +12 dB. Test 1, 2, 3, -12 dB. We have the transmitter, -1 dB receiver set up, and we have this blown out, +12 dB. This is a test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 dB plus. This is a test. I have my transmitter, DJI Osmo Action 4, -1 dB, and the Osmo Action 4, -3 dB. You'll decide if you heard any difference with the receiver being adjusted to the transmitter. And you decide that the DJI Osmo Action 4 overrides the transmitter's decibel with the receiver, that the Osmo Action 4 is doing the overriding. I hope this test was helpful. I'm just going to see for myself after I watch the video.